Hi everybody. Today we are going to do the problems from exercise 6. Already we did some problems in previous video. Now we are going to do the remaining problems. Okay, let us see the fourth one. A motorbike covers a distance of 62.5 km consuming 1 liter of petrol. How much distance does it cover for 10 liter of petrol? So this is fourth one. So what is given? Motorbike covering distance with 1 liter 1 liter of petrol equal to 62.5 kilometers. Okay, motorbike covering distance with 1 liter of petrol equal to 62.5 kilometer. ఒక మోటార్ బైక్ 1 లీటర్ పెట్రోల్ 62.5 కిలోమీటర్స్ వస్తుందంట. అయితే వాట్ యు హావ్ టు ఫైండ్ హౌ మచ్ డిస్టెన్స్ డస్ ఇట్ కవర్స్ విత్ 10 లీటర్స్ ఆఫ్ పెట్రోల్. 10 లీటర్స్ పెట్రోల్ తోటి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ఇది ట్రావెల్ చేయగలుగుతుందో మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. కవరింగ్ డిస్టెన్స్ with 10 liters of petrol equal to question mark. Okay, so 1 liter ki 62.5 అయితే 10 liters ki ఎంత? that equal to 62.5 into 10. 1 లీటర్కి 62.5 కిలోమీటర్స్ అయితే 1 లీటర్కి 10 లీటర్స్కి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుంది? సో దట్ ఈస్ 62.5 into 10. సో హియర్ 0 క్యాన్సల్, ఇట్ మూవ్స్ రైట్ సైడ్ 1 digit, that equal to 625 kilometers. Okay, this again we have to write. Next question, solve the following. So first one is 1.5 into 0.3. This 1.5 you can write as 15/10 because after decimal point we have only 1 digit, into 3 by again 1 digit by 10. So numerator into numerator, that is 15 into 3 by 10 into 10, that equal to 15 3s are 45 by 10 10s are 100. 2 zeros cancel, put point before 2 digits, that equal to 0.45, that is 1.5 into 0.3 equal to 0.45. Next, this, it is also same 2 by, after decimal point we have only 1 digit, that is by 10, it is 210.8, so by 10, 2108. So numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator, that equal to 2 8s are 16, 2 into 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, by 10 10s are 100. 2 zeros cancel, put point before 2 digits, that is 42.16, 0.2 into 210.8 equal to. Next question, 1.07. After decimal point we have 2 digits, that's why we have to write by 100 into 2 by 002. So we can write only 2 by, after decimal point 2 digits, write 2 zeros. So that is numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator, that equal to 7 2s are 14, 1, 2 ones are 2 by 100 into 100, 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros cancel. Put point before 4 digits, but we have only 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So for another digit, put here 0 point, that equal to 0.0214. 1.07 into 0.02 equal to 0.14. Next, here 7001 by, after decimal point we have 2 digits by 100 into 1.1, 11 by 10, 1 digit, that is numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator, that equals 11 ones are 11, 11 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 11 into 0, 0, 11 sevens are 77 by 100 into 10, 1000. 1, 2, 3 zeros cancel, put point before 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So that equal to 77.011. So this is 70.01 into 1.1 equal to 77.011. So in this bit you have to do the remaining, it makes you perfect. Next, sixth one, solve the following. So in that first one, 2.3 divided by 100, 2.3 by 100. 2 zeros cancel, put point before 2 digits, but you have only 1 digit, so for another digit we'll get here point, 0.023. Next one is 0.45 by 5. Here by cancelling points we get here by 100, because after decimal point we have 2 digits, that equal to 45 by 5 into 100. 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45. We'll get 9 by 100. 2 zeros cancel, put point before 2 digits, but we have only 1 digit, so for another digit put 0 point, that equal 0.09. Next one, okay, 88.5 divided by 0.15, 88.5 divided by 0.15. Okay, after decimal point we have 1 digit, so cancel, in denominator we'll get by 10. After decimal point we have 2 digits, so point cancel, in numerator we'll get 2 zeros, that means 100, 2 tens, that equals 885 into 100 by 15 into 10. So here 15 ones are 15, 15 fives are 75, 15 fives are 75, we'll get 13 remainder, so 13, 135, 15 nines are 135. So here 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100, 59 into 10, 590 is the answer. Next one is 7 divided by 3.5, 7 divided by 3.5. In numerator there is no decimal, it is whole number, so in denominator we have 3.5, in denominator point cancel, in numerator we will get, after decimal point how many digits, 1 digit, into 10, that equal to 7 into 10/35. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So that equals 1 into 2, 2 by 1. No need to write equal to 2. This is 0.4 by 20. That equals, in denominator, okay. In numerator we have decimal number, so point cancel. In denominator will get 10. So that equal 4 by 20 into 10. Cancelling with only 2. 2 1s are 0, 2 10s are 20, 2 2s are 4. We will get 2 by 10 10s are 100. So 2 zeros cancel, put point before 2 digits, that is point, that equal to 0.02. Okay, in this you have to do the remaining. Next question. A solid of regular polygon is 3.5 centimeter in length. The perimeter of the polygon is 17.5 centimeter. How many sides does the polygon have? So what is given? In a regular polygon, the length of the side is given and also its perimeter is also given. Then you have to find the number of sides. So here given one is length of the side of regular polygon equal to 3.5 centimeters. Perimeter of regular polygon equals 17.5 centimeter. What you have to find? Number of sides. So here suppose it is a regular polygon with 1 2 3 4 5 6 sides. Suppose each side is regular polygon, means all the sides are equal. Suppose it is 2 centimeter, 2 2 2 2 2. Its perimeter is 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12. Its perimeter is 12. How can you find number of sides? 12 by 2 is 6. So 12 divided by 2 will get 6. 2 ones are 2 6 are. Number of sides is 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then perimeter by length of the side is gives number of sides. Okay, therefore number of sides equal to 17.5 by 3.5. So to cancel the point by 10, cancel the point into 10. So 175 into 10 by 335 into 10. 10 get cancelled. 5 7s are 35. 5 3s are 15. 2 remainder. 5 5s are 25. 7 1s are 7. 7 5s are 35. That equal to 5. Number of sides equal to 5. Okay. This is exercise 6. అందరికీ వీడియో నచ్చింది అనుకుంటాను. నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే, సజెషన్స్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో రాయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.